In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Canva design as JPG. If you're creating graphics for social media, websites, or emails, exporting as a JPG is a great choice because it gives you a compact file size with solid visual quality. Let's walk through the process clearly so you can save your design without any guesswork. First, head over to canva.com and open the design you want to save as an image. This could be anything from a single Instagram post to a multi-page presentation. Make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear in the final image. Check your text, alignment, and colors, because what you see here is exactly what will be exported. Next, look to the top right corner of the Canva editor. Click Share, and from the menu that appears, select Download. This opens the Download panel, which is where you'll choose how your file is saved. In the File Type dropdown, select JPG. You might also see JPEG listed. It's the same format. JPG is a compressed image type that keeps file sizes smaller, which makes it ideal for fast sharing and web use. Keep in mind that JPG doesn't support transparency, so any transparent areas in your design will be filled with a solid background color. If your design has multiple pages, you don't have to export everything. In the Pages section, choose whether you want all pages or just specific ones. This is helpful if you only need a single slide or a select few. You may also see optional settings for quality or size. A higher quality setting gives you a sharper image but a larger file. A lower quality reduces file size for quicker uploads. If you're posting online, a mid to high quality setting usually strikes a good balance. If you're concerned about how it looks on high-resolution screens, go a bit higher on quality to keep images crisp. When you're happy with your choices, click Download. Canva will prepare your JPG, and your browser will either ask where to save it or place it in your default Downloads folder. If the download doesn't start right away, give it a moment. Larger designs can take a few extra seconds. Once it's saved, open the file to double-check that the image looks as expected. A quick preview helps ensure colors, text, and edges are clean. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Canva design as a JPG. Save it somewhere you can find easily, and you're ready to share or upload it wherever you need.